Y'all, the Solana ecosystem is hot right now because of DAOs and NFTs. So let me show y'all how to set up your Phantom wallet and send your Solana over to your Phantom wallet to be able to do Web3 on the Solana blockchain. Let's get it. So y'all, first things first, we're gonna set up our Phantom wallet. So let's go Google and let's type in Phantom wallet. This should be the first thing that pops up. Alright. As you see here, I typed in Phantom wallet. It's the first thing that pops up. We're gonna add the Chrome extension to our browser here. I'm gonna get off incognito mode real quick because it says you cannot add extensions to incognito mode, as you can see. Y'all wait 1 second. Look at that magic. Alright, so now we're off incognito mode and we're gonna add this Phantom wallet as a Chrome extension, as a browser extension here. We click that. Now we're gonna add it as a browser extension. Now it has been added as a browser extension. We're now going to create our new wallet. So we're going to click, of course, create new wallet. And I'm creating this wallet for the purposes of this video. I don't have this wallet saved anywhere. It's just for the purpose of the video. I'm going to delete this Chrome extension after I'm done. So don't try to hack me, please, because you're not going to be able to get into anything. So we see here, it gives you the seed phrase. Obviously, I'm going to blink the seed phrase out just so y'all can see it. But now you want to create a password. So we're going to create our password here. Alright, after you're done that, click agree and save password. After you're done, it gives you the keyboard shortcut. You can look at that, read that if you want to. If not, can't tell you what to do. And click continue. And you are all done. You have set up your Phantom wallet. Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna send some Solana tokens over to our Phantom wallet so we can do Web3 on the Solana blockchain. We can interact with dApps on the Solana blockchain if we buy NFTs. Yay! We all like NFTs, right? Alright. We are now on Coinbase, y'all, and we're gonna find Solana. So when you go to Coinbase, click trade here on the left hand corner. Let me zoom in a little bit for y'all if it's gonna zoom in. Click trade right here. Alright. So Solana is the fourth cryptocurrency right there. I think it's ranked by market cap. Yes it is. So we're gonna buy some Solana. So it brings you to this page. Of course, you would need to just come here. Obviously, I have my Bank of America link, but you would just come here and you would buy your Solana tokens here. After you bought, the right amount of Solana tokens, you would go click the wallet tab here. Zoom in for y'all. You click the wallet tab. After that, you are now gonna send your Solana tokens over to your Phantom wallet here. So you go here on the right hand corner and you would go to of course here, and you would just copy and paste your Phantom wallet. So how you would do that, you would go to your Phantom wallet in the extension here. So let me just navigate to that. Y'all just wait 1 second. So here we are. We're gonna click Phantom here as one of our browser extensions, and you're just gonna copy your Phantom code to your clipboard. Once you click it, we'll automatically copy it. That's why it's best to do this on the laptop, of course. So now we're gonna navigate back to Coinbase here, and we're just gonna enter our Phantom wallet like that. When you're ready, you would obviously click continue. You would highlight the amount you want to send over to your Phantom wallet. Just like that, you sent your Solana over to your Phantom wallet. It's just that easy, y'all. There's going to be a lot of things we're going to be doing with, I'm going to be showing y'all with how to find the right NFT to buy on the Solana blockchain or how to invest and buy cryptocurrencies that are on the Solana blockchain, on the Solana mainnet. So I wanted to show y'all how to send your tokens, your Solana tokens, over from Coinbase or other centralized exchanges like Coinbase. And send that over to your Phantom wallet. So you can now start doing Web3. Cryptocurrency is meant to be used. It's not meant to just be sit there on the exchange. Okay? Want to make the most money out of your investment in cryptocurrency? You got to use your tokens, use your coins. That's all for today, y'all. Peace.